그만둔 했네.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The McKinney Police Department is searching for Jessica Burns, white, female, 9 years old, 4 feet 10 inches tall, 90 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing dark frame glasses, a red long sleeve shirt with black shoulders and sleeves, and blue jeans. The McKinney Police Department is searching for Jennifer Burns, white, female, 6 years old, 4 feet tall, 60 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing purple frame glasses, a light blue shirt with sparkle designs on front, and blue jeans. Police are looking for Jane Burns, 60 years old, white, female, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 230 pounds, blonde hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing black clothing, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a black, unknown year, unknown make, unknown model, SUV, bearing unknown license plate. The suspect was last seen in McKinney, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the McKinney Police Department at 9725-472-700. News media point of contact is McKinney Police Department at 9725-472-700.